Talking about the economy, though, we just got ADP numbers coming in better than estimated. Last month, revised up as well, coming in at 156,000 for July. Growth is pretty good. China, though, different story. PMI still under 50. You have profit estimates for the companies to continue to come down. How do you see it?
So first off, I think that the news stories and forecasts of the rollover of the U.S. economy are way overdone. And I think the Treasury market as well is basically pricing in a significant slowdown or rollover of the U.S. economy and significant Fed activity. And I think that we're likely to be very surprised on the other side. So I think the U.S. economy is fine. I think that the China issues and the trade issues that Senator Portman had talked about are, one, very complicated. So the idea of, from a macro perspective, completely changing your investment thesis, particularly on the U.S. based on these negotiations, is a very tough thing to do. You really have to look at the fundamentals. Fundamentals of the U.S. economy is strong enough. There are sectors of the economy that are impacted by China more so than others. And so when you look at earnings and you look at recent earnings have been very good. But the forecast from a lot of companies from an investment standpoint, as well as sales, this is in this we've seen about 70% or so of companies report somewhere in that area, a little bit over 50%. And you've heard the word sluggish in terms of growth from a lot of companies, more so than we've heard in a while. And so it's something we're going to watch very closely. But I think it's much more of a sector-oriented issue with regard to China, not a macro enough issue to cause a significant concern over rollover of the economy.